आई थिंक नॉलेज बिल्डिंग इतना इम्पॉर्टेंट है, पर लेकिन नॉलेज सिर्फ इंफॉर्मेशन तक रह जाए, इट हैज़ नो मीनिंग. एंड थियराइजिंग प्रैक्टिस इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट, कि आप प्रैक्टिस करो, क्योंकि सब सोशल वर्क के स्टूडेंट हैं, मेंटल हेल्थ है, स्टडी करते हैं, लेकिन उसे how to put it into practice is the challenge. So knowing is one and doing is another. This is my learning of my 50 years. This year I finished 50 years of my work and I could not have done anything more. अगर आपको जापानीज़ कॉन्सेप्ट पता है ऑफ इकिगाई, इकिगाई यानी ये मेरा कॉलिंग था, ये मेरी absolutely passion and profession. When the two of them meet, it's amazing. So I am very grateful to be here. This is more about sharing knowledge, the knowledge building that we have done from practice. बाल अधिकार के बारे में उसमें है चाइल्ड्स राइट टू अ फैमिली. हमारा काम हमेशा मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली रहा है आर्टिकल 20 and 21 of the UNCRC, which is a child's right to a family. यानी बच्चे का अधिकार, जो भी उसके साथ काम करे, लास्ट अल्टरनेटिव और नो अल्टरनेटिव एक्चुअली शुड बी रेजिडेंशियल केयर, जिसे कहते हैं इंस्टीट्यूशनल केयर. सो नेगेटिव नॉन इंस्टीट्यूशनल केयर के बदला आई वुड से फैमिली बेस्ड केयर इज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. So as an opportunity that I had to go to Brazil to develop these alternative care guidelines with the government of India. So we represented the Secretary, Department of Women, Child and I. We participated word by word in the alternative care for children. And I cannot tell you, when I read it, every word rings a bell. कि पहले हमने ऐसा कहा था, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं कहा था. But whatever, all in all, it's one of the best documents that we can talk about. So foster care cannot be seen as a service. It has to be seen a program for prevention of child institution. तो ये जो हम कहते हैं कि foster care क्या है, I'm coming to the definition later, but it is in the context of socio-cultural reality. जो अमेरिका में था was a commercial kind of a service where the foster parents got money to look after the hard to place children. And so today they say it's the most ineffective program on foster care in terms of child protection, because there were special needs children, hard to place children, and parents themselves who were assessed, पर वो ठीक नहीं थे बच्चे को संभालने के लिए. So it became a very commercial, emotionless kind of program, and therefore वो मॉडल लगा कि इंडिया में करना, या even British model of adoption and foster care लाना is difficult. Conceptually ठीक है कि if a child's parents नहीं संभाल सकते हैं तो बच्चे को दूसरी फैमिली में कैसे रहेगा. हमारे यहाँ जब हमने 1962 में सेंट्रल सोशल वेलफेयर बोर्ड ने ये शुरू किया, तब सब बिगेस्ट दिक्कत थी, किसका बच्चा है, कहाँ से लाए, ट्राइबल बच्चा है, हम नहीं संभाल पाएंगे. एंड द गवर्नमेंट सेड वी कैन ओनली गिव 50 रुपीज़ per child person. So this is the movement, and how it started I'll go about it, but very briefly I will talk about some of the principles overview in child protection. One is child's perspective, child rights. जो हम काम कर रहे थे हमेशा बच्चों की ज़रूरियत पूरा करते हैं. Child's needs were important, बट जो अधिकार की दृष्टिकोण से चाइल्ड सेंटर्ड वर्क जो होना चाहिए रिमेन्ड ऑन पेपर, एंड इट वॉज नॉट इवन अ कन्विक्शन फॉर पीपल दैट वी शुड लुक एट बच्चों को क्या नहीं, बच्चों की सुरक्षा करना ज़रूरी है, पर बच्चों का अधिकार के बारे में हम बात नहीं करें. नेक्स्ट as I said was child's right to a family. There was child rights to recreation and health care and nutrition and everything. But how about family? It was taken for granted. So this is very important to take this perspective overview कि बच्चे का अधिकार क्या है, फिर वल्नरेबल ग्रुप्स अगर आइडेंटिफाई करें तो किसके लिए काम करें. मिशन वात्सल्य विल टेल यू वन ग्रुप. डॉक्टर पति शेयर्ड विथ अस द whole 26 categories of children who are considered CNCP children. But I would call it, CNCP is a legal term, children in need of care and protection. That also we move. Children in difficult circumstances, children in especially difficult neglected children. As per JJ Act, the terms have also moved and changed. कि आज उन बच्चे को vulnerable groups से समझते हैं. Legally बोले JJ Act तो then it will be CNCP. Then negative impact of law. हम क्यों कहते हैं कि family based के? क्योंकि बहुत रिसर्च के बाद पता चला है कि जो बच्चा नर्चरिंग फैमिली में न बढ़े उसके साथ बहुत मल्टीपल मदरिंग और मल्टीपल ट्रॉमा की इफ़ेक्ट क्या होती है. So what I am talking today is a conceptual understanding of why we could talk of foster care and why do we talk about family based care. Then negative impact, like I said, we'll come to that. और लास्ट वाला जो है development of alternative non-institutional services. Today it's foster care as the focus. So foster care service, वैसे देखें तो country में very few families are there under the foster care scheme because we didn't understand under which scheme we are doing. लेकिन इसकी history है starting from 1962. So ये academically या conceptually या thought process wise ये समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि पहले हम बच्चों की वेलफेयर देख रहे थे, अभी बच्चों को चाइल्ड सेंट्रिक जो हम काम करते हैं उसमें डेवलपमेंट एंड एम्पावरमेंट कहते हैं. एम्पावरमेंट इज़ गिव पावर बैक टू वेयर इट बिलोंग्स. दैट मीन्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट कि चाइल्ड रिसिपिएंट ऑफ सर्विस नहीं है, चाइल्ड को नीड्स है लेकिन उसका अधिकार भी है जिसे हम as adults, children are the holders of rights and we are the ensuring the fulfillment of those rights. So institutional and residential care to non-institutional family based care is very clear. जो हमने आप बताया कि संस्था cannot the best, बहुत सी संस्था से हम सुपरविजन करेंगे या SCWC we did inspection, हमारी तो 5-star इंस्टीट्यूशन है. कश्मीर में जब हम गए यतीम खाने में तो उन्होंने कहा आपके घर में बच्चे बिरयानी कब खाते हैं, 4 ईद आती है उस टाइम खाते. हमारे यहाँ बच्चे बिरयानी रोज़ खाते हैं क्योंकि डोनेशन मिलता है. सो ईटिंग बिरयानी इज़ नॉट चाइल्ड प्रोटेक्शन. ईटिंग बिरयानी इज़ नॉट इंडिकेशन ऑफ द चाइल्ड्स सेंट्रिक इमोशनल साइकोलॉजिकल फिज़िकल हेल्थ. ये हम कहना चाहते हैं कि जो फैमिली बेस्ड सर्विसेज कम्युनिटी ओरिएंटेड है वो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. कस्टोडियल केयर में फूड शेल्टर क्लोथिंग सब मिलता है, बच्चे को कोई कमी नहीं होती है, लेकिन होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट जो कहते हैं सर्वांगीण विकास जो होना चाहिए इज़ वेरी difficult, almost impossible, because there is no individualized, very difficult to give individualized attention. We have all my colleagues here who have been probation officers, who are now child welfare officers. Prabha is vouched for that. I have worked with her for almost 40 years, and as CW, and realized that how difficult it is for one person to look after so many. However good intention होगा आपका, फिज़िकली इम्पॉसिबल है टू लुक आफ्टर. सेग्रीगेशन एंड आइसोलेशन, ये जो बच्चे होते हैं वॉल के पीछे रहते हैं. सोसाइटी क्या है, मेन स्ट्रीमिंग क्या है, लोग कैसे बोलते हैं, कैसे बात करते हैं, ये उनके समझने में भी बहुत दिक्कत होती है. सो आइसोलेशन एंड सेग्रीगेशन टू इंक्लूजन एंड मेन स्ट्रीमिंग. लेट दिस चाइल्ड ऑल्सो बी पार्ट ऑफ सोसाइटी, ये हम बात कर रहे हैं. और लास्ट है बेनिफिशियरी एंड रिसिपिएंट, यानी बच्चे को ये ज़रूरत आप ऐसे नहीं देते हैं, बट बच्चा इज़ अ पार्टनर. बच्चा इट्स यू आर नॉट गिविंग समथिंग बट यू आर पार्टनरिंग विद द चाइल्ड एंड द चाइल्ड इज़ अ पार्टिसिपेंट. बच्चे का अधिकार है कि वो आप मेरे बारे में डिसीजन ले रहे हैं तो मुझे पूछ कर दीजिए. तो एडल्ट व्यू इज़ कि इसको क्या समझ में आएगा, वो तो नादान है, बच्चा है. No, child's right to participation in decisions that affect his life or her life are most important. So these principles are non-negotiable and these principles are on which हम बात करें. तो आज हम जो बात फॉस्टर केयर की कर रहे हैं, हाउ डू यू इम्प्लीमेंट के ये सब प्रिंसिपल्स हम जो काम कर रहे हैं उसमें वैलिड है, एविडेंट है या नहीं. तो चिल्ड्रन नीड, आई वोंट गो इनटू डिटेल्स, कि ये वल्नरेबल ग्रुप्स जिसे कहते हैं वो ऑफन अबैंडन, डेस्टिट्यूट, OS और लीगली फ्री, चाइल्ड लेबर, स्ट्रीट चिल्ड्रन, चिल्ड्रन ऑफ child sex workers, juvenile offenders, they used to call them, children in conflict with law now, children engaging in substance abuse. So I'm not going to all the categories. These are all, Dr. Pati told us, in Mission Vatsalya. We have 26 categories and these are the children that we work with. So some of the negative, ये बहुत समझना ज़रूरी है, that why of best of institutions cannot substitute for family care. So first thing we start in institutionalized child means जो बच्चा छोटी उम्र से संस्था में बड़ा हो जाता है, तो आज उसके लिए de-institutionalization project है and putting them back into family through repatriation or restoration. But क्यों करते हैं? We have to understand the principle behind it. यानी क्यों हम ये क्या अपने बच्चे के लिए देखेंगे कि ओ मुझे कुछ हो गया तो वी विल पुट इन काका मामा मौसी किसी के घर में रखेंगे. संस्था में रखने के विल बी आवर लास्ट डिसीजन, क्योंकि फैमिली इज विलिंग टू लुक आफ्टर. सो किनशिप केयर becomes one of the options. So in the institution, it's very important to understand emotional deprivation, separation anxiety, low self-esteem, failure to trust. किसी को ट्रस्ट करने का अभाव हो जाता है, क्योंकि संस्था में बच्चा छोटा, बच्चे को इतनी रात 7 बजे लास्ट डिनर मिलता है. हमने बच्चों के साथ काम किया है, 2 बटाटा वड़ा लेकर तकिए पिलो के नीचे रखेंगे, तो हम कहते हैं वो चोरी करता है, ये बच्चे को इसने चोरी किया. अरे भाई, फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड द प्रिंसिपल बिहाइंड डेप्रिवेशन एंड व्हाट इट मीन्स इन रियलिटी टू बी हंग्री for a 10-year-old child in the middle of the night, that he has to take 2 batavaka vadas to put down. So failure to trust people, then developmental delays, routinization and regimen. सुबह 6 बजे उठो ना, ठंडी में भी you have a bath, then you do this, then you homework, then this go classes. ये जो routinization है, the mind संकुलित हो जाता है, the child doesn't develop any creativity or out of the box thinking. हर बच्चे का ये, it's so important to maximize the development of the child. So बच्चे के routinization और regimentation में, there was a time when I remember बाल सभा होती थी and you say आपको क्या कहना है, हमको हमारे प्रोबेशन ऑफिसर या जो हेड होते हैं उसको कहना है कि हमको 7 बजे सोने से बदले 8 बजे प्लीज़ करो, क्योंकि उस टाइम हमको क्रिकेट देखना है, तो हाइलाइट्स ऑफ क्रिकेट आती है. तो ये कहते हैं कि व्हाट इज़ दिस चाइल्ड वांट्स टू, यू हैव टू फॉलो द रूल्स. तो ये रूटिनाइजेशन एंड रेजिमेंटेशन इज़ सो डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर द चाइल्ड टू फॉलो, एंड वी एज mental health experts or working with children have to have an open mind. Only if the mind is open, it will work. So I think this is something that we need. Physical abuse and trauma, you can't help it, but children are exploring. एक दूसरे के साथ इतनी पास में सोते हैं, बड़े बच्चे becomes the bully, and the power and control जो ऊपर से ट्रिकल होके नीचे होता है, तो सबसे छोटा बच्चा इतना ट्रॉमेटाइज्ड हो जाता है, तो उसको फिजिकल अब्यूज़ एंड ट्रॉमा, segregation and isolation from society, difficulty in adjusting back to society. That's why we have aftercare programs. कि अभी aftercare programs जो है child को integrate back into society is very important. ये interpersonal relationship, anonymity and lack of पर्सनल आइडेंटिटी, वो जो है कि मैं कौन हूँ, बिल्ला नंबर 212, When the child welfare committee child asks him, आपका नाम क्या है? He's looking blankly and he's saying, मेरा नाम है बिल्ला नंबर 212. तो ये हम आइडेंटिटी अपने बच्चे को दे रहे हैं. आई कैन सी नॉडिंग हेड्स बिकॉज आई कैन सी दैट दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट एवरीबडी हैज़ एक्सपीरियंस एट वॉट एवर स्टेज इन वॉट एवर कैपेसिटी इन आपके काम में. ये इट्स हैज़ बिकम हैड बिकम अ रियलिटी. वी आर मूविंग बट वी टेक 10 steps forward and we take 5 steps backward. So all in all, the development becomes almost nullified. So I think we should really be, this is a good opportunity for all of us to reflect that we are not talking about foster care just as a service, but as a reflection of child rights. I didn't look at maternal deprivation. Maternal deprivation is as a result of what is called multiple mothering. ये research based study है of how many countries of the world where उन्होंने कहा कि maternal deprivation बच्चे को touch, physical contact नहीं होता है तो उसको emotional deprivation हो जाता है. उसे पता नहीं चलता कि लोगों के साथ कैसे. So these are all very non-tangible, abstract concepts, but reality में mental health issue later बन जाता है. So all of us need to understand कि why are we talking of foster care and why do we have a national conference? Because हमारे देश में ये it's time to create awareness, acceptance, acknowledgement and implementation of this program is very important. However, the most important hurdle that I have worked with in all the states, about 18 states that we introduced this program, what was the main thing? किसका बच्चा है? कहाँ से? वो ट्राइबल बच्चा है? ओ ये ओबीसी कैटेगरी के से? अरे हम तो ब्राह्मण हैं, हम बच्चा नहीं ले सके. हम बच्चा ले सकते हैं लेकिन ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे. 15 दिन बच्चे को रखा, नो ये बहुत नॉटी बच्चा है, ये बहुत बैड बिहेवियर है, हम वापस करते. सो दिस रिटर्निंग ऑफ अ चाइल्ड इन फॉस्टर केयर becomes so traumatic to the child, almost like a commodification. जो commodification होता है बच्चा का, तो what are we talking about today? Child protection. It's nothing close to even looking after the best interest of the child, which is our guiding principle. So non-institutional services as understood and introduced in Mission Vatsalya, but in a different way sometimes, is adoption, foster care sponsorship, community centers with family counseling centers, child gardens, day care and night shelters, and group homes. These are all categories, or just for us to understand कि family based alternative क्या होता है कि बच्चे की परवरिश कुटुंब में हो, नहीं कि संस्था में हो. What is foster care? ये एक working definition है, very important for us to understand. इसे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करके कहा है प्रतिपालक योजना. यानी जो पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चे को नहीं संभाल सकते वो दूसरी फैमिली में रखने के लिए उसे फॉस्टर केयर कहते हैं. सो इट्स अ चाइल्ड प्रोटेक्शन प्रोग्राम दैट वी ऑल नो प्रोवाइड्स टेम्पररी और लॉन्ग टर्म केयर. देर आर डिफरेंट कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ फॉस्टर केयर, आई विल कम लेटर. पर ये कॉन्सेप्ट है यूनिवर्सल कि टेम्पररी पीरियड, जब मदर को कैंसर हुआ, फादर ने रीमैरी किया, देयर इज़ नो चाइल्ड, नोबडी टू लुक आफ्टर द चाइल्ड, तो उस टाइम पे बच्चे को फॉस्टर केयर में देखे. इन अ सब्स्टिट्यूट फैमिली फॉर चिल्ड्रन, when the natural biological parents are unable to care for them due to severe crisis, death, desertion, illness, or any condition that endangers the best interest of the child. Any best interest of the child is the central focus. That's the guiding principle. But very often we say it and we don't implement that. Is it in the best interest of the child to say, "Acha, you're playing here, don't climb the tree"? Of course the child wants to climb the tree. But the head of the institution will say, if I let him climb and if he falls down and breaks a leg, तो मुझे बोलेंगे ना. So I will be suspended. बच्चे को क्या हुआ? कुछ नहीं हुआ. लेकिन best interest of the child is protecting the child and letting him be a child. how to provide other services of other caregivers to look after this child. So that becomes one of our understanding of what is foster care. I'll just go faster. Why foster care ensures the child's right to a family, substitute family in need of care and protection, prevents institutionalization, and helps to deinstitutionalize. These are very clearly non-negotiable, understood everywhere कि बच्चे को फॉस्टर केयर में क्यों डालना है. These are क्या क्यों डालना नहीं है, रखने है. How do you look after the child within a family environment? Foster care in India, ये समझना ज़रूरी है. From 1962 we started. It's a new program of 2 years with the foster care guidelines after Mission Vatsalya came in 2022. We have, correct, 2022 is our latest guidelines on foster care. But in 1960s under Central Social Welfare Board, 5 organizations in the country were appointed to run the foster care program. At 50 rupees per child per organization got 50 children. बस वही some it limited to that और उसके बाद कुछ development नहीं हुआ. It died a natural death and then it got transferred to the state governments as a grant in aid scheme of the foster care with the government of the states. What developed very nicely is the state government started their own schemes. They started all their schemes. The pioneer was Maharashtra. Why was pioneer Maharashtra? Because during the Latur earthquake, disaster management के अंदर जो उन्होंने स्कीम डेवलप की, बहुत से कलीग्स मेरे साथ हैं. We drafted the scheme from first word with the department commissionerate and we did it together and it worked very well for 10-15 years and it's changed the character now and for whatever reason the government has done that. So ये बाल संगोपन योजना लातूर earthquake के बाद महाराष्ट्र में pioneering scheme in the country. Every state tried their own schemes and they are working now. So there are 2 things, national scheme of foster care and grant in aid schemes, money that came 50% from the center and then the state, and now eventually they're all state schemes. So this is the history and background of foster care India. Foster care for whom I just said that who's involved are all the vulnerable children. The families at risk are risk from separation and severe crisis. Yani prevention of disintegration of the family became the main raison d'etre, the goal of these kind of schemes. Children who are already in institutions but who can't be going back to their families, deinstitution. During the COVID and all, there was a whole movement, NCBCR guidance and direction, send the child back. But you can't send the child back without preparation. Every foster placement also requires a lot of counseling and preparation of the child and parents for looking after the children in foster care. This is important to understand. The types of foster care is so loosely used, the term foster care. वो क्या है? Pre-adoptive. There is a legality in Juvenile Justice Act where prospective adoptive parents who intend to adopt the child, from the time of getting the child to the legal adoption, it's called pre-adoptive foster care. That is one. Then temporary family for older children awaiting adoption. Above 6 are kept in families sometimes, with a family in the interim period between surrender, relinquishment, and declared legally for adoption. Short-term foster care during crisis situations in the family. These are so many types of foster care. So what are we promoting? We are promoting foster care as a practice, as a concept, of which type of foster care? Long-term foster care for the child who is not legally free for adoption. Then daycare and night care shelters are also there for working parents like children of commercial sex workers and all. In the night they look after. Fit person placement by CWC, the Child Welfare Committee after due investigation of social investigation report, can place a child in fit family. Then national and state foster care schemes. National scheme is what we are discussing today. And kinship care as a concept is really the organic care of a child when a parent and family in an extended joint family, the parents die, automatically without legal formalities or informal placement, the child is looked after by the relatives, Mama, Maushi, Dada, Dadi, anybody can look after the child. And that was called kinship care. And foster adoption by Thara is the new concept where you keep the child in foster care for a period of 2 years to 5 years, and then you can convert it to adoption. So these are the various concepts of foster care. So when we decide to promote a foster care, which is the foster care that we are really providing? So in implementation, what we need is the situation analysis of birth parents, application of the CWC review, foster family identification, assessment and motivation, home study report, preparation for placement, supervision and monitoring, रिहैबिलिटेशन फॉर चाइल्ड. जब जिस टाइम बच्चे को रखते हैं उसके साथ में ही रिहैबिलिटेशन प्लान डिस्कस करते हैं कि हाउ डू यू गेट द चाइल्ड बैक टू द फैमिली if it is short term care, and if it's long term care, then how do you formalize the placement where the child gets legal rights and the parents are also legally protected. हमारे यहाँ बहुत एक तो we had incidents where the child ran away from home. So foster parents became legal responsible कि you will be in custody till we find the child. भाई हमने तो we are doing a good deed, you know, and this is what happens. So now legal protection of foster parents also becomes important in the understanding. So जब हम foster care policy अभी decide कर रहे हैं या practice कर रहे हैं, we have to have objective very clear. How long are we going to keep? What is the target group of these children? एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया, कौन एलिजिबल होगा, 6 साल के ऊपर, छोटा बच्चा, वट एवर. सो परमानेंसी प्लानिंग यानी जो बच्चा गोद में जा सकता है, लीगली फ्री फॉर अडॉप्शन है, उसे परमानेंसी प्लानिंग की एक फैमिली मिलनी चाहिए, इज़ आवर फर्स्ट गोल एंड इज़ आवर फर्स्ट कन्विक्शन. फिर यूनिट ऑफ द स्कीम, अगर आप ग्रांट दोगे स्टेट गवर्नमेंट की या सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की, how many children per NGO or per organization implement that is called the unit of the scheme. Project component and activities, उसमें development, parenting workshop, counseling workshop, बच्चे की परवरिश कैसे करनी, उस skilling workshop, ये सब करना ज़रूरी है. Not just place the child and forget it. So modality for implementation is very important, step by step protocol. Linkages with other existing schemes. Sponsorship and foster care have become the central schemes over which they can be combined, whether you would call it sponsorship or foster care, depends where the child is. Sponsorship becomes when the mother herself is looking after the child but needs financial assistance. तो ये एक linkages जो हम कहते हैं होना चाहिए, budgeting, funding plan, monitoring and सो कोई भी स्कीम गवर्नमेंट हो या NGO मैनेज्ड हो, ये पॉलिसी डेवलपमेंट में प्रोटोकॉल्स जो होते हैं, SOP होती है, ये इट शुड इंक्लूड दिस सो दैट क्लैरिटी हमें मिल जाए. सो आई जस्ट वांट टू कंक्लूड बाय सेइंग दैट दिस इज़ अ ग्रेट इनिशिएटिव to include and to bring foster care in the awareness of a child protection program in the alternative services spectrum. Alternative care does not mean alternate. इसके बाद ये करो, इसके बाद ये करो. No, alternative is alternative to family care. So alternative to family care or alternative to a child without a family institution is also considered alternative, but as a last option. So हम यहाँ सब बैठे हैं. This is a knowledge based डेवलपमेंट हैपनिंग कि फॉस्टर केयर में हमें हमारी कंट्री में ऑर्गेनिक जो है किनशिप केयर क्यों प्रमोट करना चाहिए ओवर स्पॉन्सरशिप के? As of now, the foster care scheme doesn't allow relatives, family to look after the child if they are in the same house. So this is something where the development of foster policy, foster care implementation must be looked at. Bal Sangopan Yojana allows it. Pratipalak Yojana of another state. Then there is Mata Pita Yojana in Gujarat, and a lot of schemes are there. Anyway, I just wanted to say thank you for the organizing this national conference on foster care. There's a lot of sharing and learning, and we all move forward in the best interest of the child. Thank you so much.